Welcome to Atour Hotel Baoji Executive Center South High-Speed Railway Station, where your journey of unparalleled comfort and refined service begins. Scan the QR code or consult the description below for effortless booking and a glimpse into the extraordinary experience awaiting you. Nestled in a prime location, this exceptional hotel provides a sanctuary of sophisticated design and modern luxury. Each room is meticulously appointed with elegant furnishings, creating a haven of tranquility and style. Immerse yourself in the plush bedding, enjoy the convenience of complimentary Wi-Fi, and savor the thoughtfully curated amenities designed to elevate your stay. Indulge in culinary delights with our exquisite breakfast options crafted to tantalize your palate and energize your day. The hotel's commitment to service is paramount, with express check-in and check-out, luggage storage, and professional dry cleaning services ensuring a seamless and effortless experience. Whether you are visiting for business or leisure, Atour Hotel Baoji Executive Center South High-Speed Railway Station promises an unforgettable retreat. Enhance your travel experience further by securing your reservation now, simply by scanning the QR code below.